Hello friends, how are you? Hope you will be fine and healthy. Today I was making this video for the people those are willing to learn the English language, those are willing to improve English language, because we people help each others to learn the English language. We are sharing our experience with others and others are sharing their experiences with us. In this way we are improving the English language. We are the non-native English speakers because English is not our first language, and we have learnt this language by our struggle, by wasting a lot of time. You have to give the time. If you don't have the time to learn this language, then you cannot improve this language. Anything in life you are willing to achieve, you will have to do the time. You will have to spare the time to achieve those things. So I am just now sitting in my house, and I was searching for the place, a better place where I could make the video, because there is a light, and you know that whenever we make videos in light, the shades of black shades comes on eyes, and that not good seems good. So I am making this video in a open environment where the children are playing around me. I'm seeing and people are talking and busy in their household work. So I thought that I should make this video, and you are seeing that I'm a little below side, because if I go upside relax mood, then my head is cutting. So I'm in little way relaxed mood to make this video, and if I move the camera, then light would come and the shade would come, and this will not be good for you to watch the videos, and video looks not good in this way. So I am making this in a natural environment, and hope that you are enjoying this video. Sometimes we should speak or talk in natural way. Don't make styles. Some people are making the style, wearing the shirts, wearing the pants, wearing the spectacles, and making the show off, but they're delivering nothing. If you are willing to deliver, you can deliver anything at any place. So your voice quality should be good. I think that you should use a better mic. When your voice is listenable, understandable, then it's okay. Sometimes if your picture is not good, and because as I told you that sometimes you did not find any kind of environment where you could make the videos for the people. So sometimes we have to make random videos, but main thing is the topic, what topic you are discussing in the video. So I think that today I'm talking in English language, and I always told you in my previous videos that listen videos in English language, watch videos in English language, no matter on what subject or topic they are. In this way you will improve. If you are learning the English language on advanced level, you will improve, that you will come to know the new words and sentences, because if we speak on the same topic on daily basis, the same words would come out of our mouth, and you will not able to know the new words. Whenever we discuss on some different topics, the new words would come, and you will be able to learn new words, and in this way you will use in your daily practice of English language. So I think that learn new words on daily basis. Sometimes some people have the habit to learn 5 or 10 words on daily basis. In my previous time I used to learn more than 50 words on daily basis, and I was at that time there were the pamphlets where I wrote the difficult words and their meaning, and there were, I think that more than 50, sometimes 100 words on daily basis. I used to memorize one paper. In this way I think that I made myself able to increase my memory of difficult words and their meanings. But I was at that time cramming. I think that cramming is not good. Sometimes we should use those difficult words in sentences, because the crammed word would be forgotten, and those words which you use in sentences will be the part of your memory. in this way, I think that there are so many principles which you will have to adopt to improve your English language and make yourself able to speak good English. Because sometimes you see that whenever you keep in mind some topics and you are willing to speak on those topics, you do the fumbling. And sometimes when you spontaneously speak, you speak very good English language. So try to speak sometimes spontaneously, because when you keep in mind that I will discuss on this, I will discuss on this, then you will forget that on which topic you are willing to discuss. So speak spontaneously sometimes. And for speaking the spontaneously, I think that knowledge is required. So get the knowledge. Right now you can help lot of help from social media. Everything you are willing to know, you can search on social media. In previous time we are facing lot of problems because an internet was not available. So we have to search the books, and it takes a lot of, it took a lot of time at that time. So right now the opportunities are available, the platform is available. Only the thing, your talent. If you are talented, you can grow, you can show your talent to the world. And I think that if you have the facilities and if you have the international kind of the mind, so grow your talent on international level. This is the opportunity, and get benefit of this opportunity. Otherwise I think that if you are limited to one place or area, it is not good. If your talent is of international level and you are not expanding your talent, and you are doing the things of your locality, you are in a certain circle, then it's not okay. If you have the beautiful talent, beautiful things to share with the world. In this way I think that you will get benefit in future. Because sorry, because you know that English is international language right now, and this is the considered the common language. And with the common language we can communicate with the people of other nationalities, because we don't know the language of their nationality, they don't know the language of our national language. And in this way only language is English language, which through which we can communicate with each other and share our experiences, share our country, culture, religion, and many other things that are in your mind. You can discuss with your friends around the world. So I think that if you know the language, English language, then get the benefit of this language and explore things in a proper way. So I'm making the because someone is willing to pass, and I'm saying that go, because camera is not on that side, camera is in on my face, so they can pass very easily. And I will guzar jaye uthal. So I think that I was talking in my own language, that is the Urdu language. And you know, I was my mom was willing to pick some things from here, and I asked her that take it, so in my Urdu language. So I think that this is the natural. I think that sometimes we should talk in natural way. Don't make the styles and excuses. Sometimes the natural things looks very good. And I'm also willing to explore the nature. Whenever I visit in some places, in some mountainous areas, I enjoy a lot. Because when you are close to the nature, our lives are very artificial. We are doing the artificial things, and we are very far from natural things. So sometimes we should enjoy the things of nature. The natural things are very beautiful, and sometimes we should go out with friends and share our activities. And in this way you will do the exercise of walking, because walking is very necessary. So sometimes you go out while walking on foot, never use any vehicle. In this way you will do the exercise, physical exercise, and you will also enjoy the natural things around you. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other subjects. Till then, allow me, in next video I am willing to discuss some beautiful subjects. I will search that on what topic I should speak. I think that you find this video very useful. Hit the like button, subscribe this channel, and I'll Taf Malik. You are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.